Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you are doing great. One of the reasons people suck at trading is that they do not have a well-defined proper trading system to trade on. So what do you mean by well-defined trading system? A well-defined trading system is nothing but you have a definite rules to take trades, and second most important thing is we have the data that most of the time this trading strategy works when compared to their losses, and hence we have proven results over this trading strategy. I know most of the people who are watching this video might not have a defined trading system to trade on, and hence you guys are losing tons of money trading bullshit trading strategy. So I'm there for you guys to help you to make your trading strategy better. I'm gonna give you one of my personal trading strategy, that is trading with 9 EMA, wherein I'll give you definite rules in what type of market you're gonna trade and what type of market you're gonna exclude trading 9 EMA. So with past data, we're gonna work on. If you're watching the video for the first time, please hit the like button and please subscribe. It'll help me in bringing up many videos like this to you guys. Before going on to this video, please do have a note and a pen and note it down the points that I'm gonna talk about. Do not watch this video in urgent, but click on the like button and save it so that you may watch it later. So I'm going to give you 5 rules that can help you to trade 9 EMA in a better way. So the rule number 1 is identifying the trading style that suits 9 EMA. So what do you mean by that? So what type of trading style that suits when you have to trade a 9 EMA trading strategy? So I personally use this 9 EMA trading strategy to take trades on intraday basis. So the time that I be in the trade is less than 15 minutes to 30 minutes, but not more than 30 minutes. You can call it as an intraday trading strategy. And the second rule number 2 is you're gonna take trades only when the market is trending. What do you mean by that? When the price is moving up, or when the price is in uptrend, or when the price is in downtrend. You're not supposed to take trades using 9 EMA when the market is in consolidation mode. Wherein if you're trading 9 EMA when the market is in consolidation mode, you're gonna lose money. Okay, what do you mean by consolidation? Consolidation is nothing but the market is in sideways. And the rule number 3 is this strategy works in all kinds of instruments such as crypto, stocks, index, funds like Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I personally use this while trading Nifty. I mostly trade 9 EMA using Nifty because I have seen Nifty performing well with 9 EMA. So identify what kind of an instruments you have to trade on and apply 9 EMA trading strategy along with it. Use the past data that I'm going to teach you about, which will help you guys to make money in those market instruments. And the fourth rule is use this strategy only in one particular instrument. What do I say? If you are trading crypto, please do take trades only on cryptos. And if you want to trade in indices, because I personally trade on Nifty, so I use this 9 EMA trading strategy only in Nifty. But I have seen this 9 EMA working in all kinds of markets. So the rule is use only one instrument along with 9 EMA and get the best result out of it. The fifth rule is what is the time frame that I'm going to use to take trades based on 9 EMA. So I'm going to use time frames between 15 minutes to daily time frame to take trades based on 9 EMA. So I've tried out 5 minutes time frame using 9 EMA, but I didn't get better results because I see most of the time the market on Nifty gives fake moves. So I'm gonna exclude trading 9 EMA in 5 minutes time frame. I hope you understand these 5 rules. So I'm gonna explain how to trade this 9 EMA in charts. Hello friends, we're going to use these 5 rules to take trades based on 9 EMA. I use a web platform called TradingView. If you don't have an account on TradingView, please do click on the description below and open an account in TradingView, which is free of cost. And after opening a chart section in TradingView, please do click on the indicator section and click on moving average, wherein you find moving average exponential here, right? Click on this and close this. You find 9 EMA here, right? Click on the settings. Go to the inputs where you see 9 EMA, which is inbuilt, and come to the style wherein you see EMA, right? And click on this color and increase the thickness. If you want any color, you can just put any color as you want and click OK. So this is all the first step we have done. So the second most important thing is we're going to identify a trend. What do you mean by a trend? A trend is nothing but whether the price is in uptrend or price is in downtrend. Okay, so how do I get to know whether the price is an uptrend? Okay, the first and foremost thing is we're gonna find out in an uptrend the price must be following higher highs, okay, and the price must be following higher lows. Okay, you see higher lows, right? You see higher lows here and you see higher lows, right? So this is higher highs. So this signifies that the trend is an uptrend. Coming back to the downtrend. So if you see the price is moving like this, mean if the highs is below the next highs, mean if the price is making lower highs, right? You see this highs is below this highs and you see this high is below this high, right? So this is called lower highs. So wherein you see this low is below this low, right? So we call it as lower lows. We call it as lower lows. Okay, so this signifies a downtrend. Simple. And next thing is, say for example, if the price is like this, if the price is just consolidating, we're not supposed to take a trade based on 9 EMA using this concept when the price is consolidating. Understood, right? So coming back to the charts, I use Nifty for it. I use 15 minutes time frame to make sure you understand it pretty well. How to trade this 9 EMA when the price is in uptrend. The first thing is we're gonna find out whether price is in uptrend. You see this, right? So you see the price is making higher highs over this place, right? The price is making higher highs, right? You see the price is making higher lows over this place. So this signifies the price is in uptrend, right? It means the price is going up. So how are we gonna take trade based on 9 EMA? First and foremost thing is we're gonna identify an uptrend, and second thing is we're gonna wait for a retracement. Simple. So we identify the price is an uptrend or this place, right? So how are we gonna take trades? So you see the price made an uptrend, right? Making an higher highs. So we find out the price is an uptrend. We're gonna wait for the retracement. So you see this is a retracement. So I said you this is a 9 EMA, right? This blue color line you see this is a 9 EMA, and the price has to make a clear green color candle. You see a green color candle over this place. So our first entry would be a, our stop loss will be the low of the candle. Our target will be like 1:2 or 1:1, 1:1.5. Okay, so this is how you're gonna take trades. I'll give you one more example. So you see here the price went up, and came here, but here you see the price is an uptrend, right? So we are in uptrend, we can just continue the same. So I waited for the retracement, and then what happened? We find a good green color candle over this place, so we're gonna take an entry here. Okay, so because the price made a retracement, then a green candle touching the 9 EMA, we're gonna enter there and keep a stop loss below this. Okay, below the candle low, and we're gonna wait for 1:2 or 1:1 or 1:1.5. Okay, so we have got the results, right? And then if some people will ask me, okay, say for example if the price is an uptrend but it broke the 9 EMA, right? So what are we gonna do now? We're gonna take trades. We're not supposed to do anything. Simple. Understood, right? Okay, another example. So you see from here till here, what do we see? We see the price is making higher highs, right? So making higher highs, and the price is making higher lows, right? And what happened here? You see the price went up. I wanted a retracement. It took a retracement here and made a good green color candle after touching a 9 EMA. So this blue color line is called 9 EMA. Okay, simple. So you can make an entry here, keeping a sell below this candle, and then you could have ride the trend. Simple, right? This is all simple. So the strategy is simple. You can make money using this strategy. Okay, so now most people will talk about, can we trail RSLs? Okay, can we trail our stop loss? What do you mean by that? Okay, That time I said you that we can take trades when the price retraces, and we can keep our entry here, right? So I entered, say for example, I entered here. Okay, I'm gonna keep my stop loss below this candle, right? So if for example this blue color candle, you see there's a big huge green color candle, right? So what I'm gonna do is, after this candle has been made, I'm gonna trail my SL to the 9 EMA. Okay, wherein my stop loss is reduced, and thing is my target is unlimited but my stop loss is reduced. When the price moves up, I'm gonna keep on trailing my SLs. Okay, now coming back to the downtrend. Okay, we see downtrend here. Here you see, right, the price is on a continuous downtrend. The price is making lower highs and the price is making lower lows, right? So are we going to take trades based on 9 EMA? So once we identified it's a downtrend, so what we're going to do, we're going to just waiting for pullback. Okay, so how you see this is in a downtrend, right? So here there's a big green color candle breaking the lows, right? And then what happened next? The 9 EMA is below this price, right? So we're gonna wait for the pullback. So what happened? There is a two good green color candles over this place. It means there is a retracement over this place, right? And what I want now, I want the candle to make a red color candle touching this 9 EMA. So we see red pin bar candle, which signifies buyers and sellers are both equal. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna enter here, and we're gonna keep a stop loss above this, and we're gonna take 1:2 or 1:3. Okay, sometimes you can find trades 1:5, 1:6 also. Okay, so this is all about downtrend, and I'll give you example about that. Okay, once we understand the price is in downtrend, so what we're gonna do, we just waiting for the retracement, right? So the price came down, right? So we're gonna wait for the pullback. Now you see this candle, right? You see this candle, green color candles, was a pullback, and you see after touching this 9 EMA, after touching the 9 EMA, you see the candle has been making a good red color candle. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a trade. We're gonna just short it. Okay, what do you mean by shorting? First you're gonna sell, and then you're gonna buy it. Okay, this is all the concept called shorting, wherein you can just keep a target of 1:2, 1:1, 1:1.5. Okay, so not every time you're gonna get 1:4, 1:5. Okay, so this is all about the downtrend. So I'll give you few more examples. So you see, right, you see here, this is downtrend, this is completely a downtrend, this is completely a downtrend, right? So what are you gonna do? So you see the price came down, and we're gonna wait for what? One thing, it broke the 9 EMA, and then we're gonna wait for the retracement, and you see a good red color candle here, and we're gonna take what? We're gonna take our shorting opportunity, and we're gonna keep your stop loss above the high of the candle, and then we're gonna wait for the target. So you see 1:3, right? So this is all about trading 9 EMA in simple concepts. You see here, after making a red color candle, the price fell, right? You see a drastic fall till this place. Simple. And you see the price came down and took a retracement, and there was a fall. There was a gap down also. And you see here, after retracement, the price took, they made a red color candle, and you see the fall, right? And same thing happens here also. And you can see here, the price made retracement and a red color candle, short it, and you're gonna exit. You can exit it here with 1:1. You see the wick right here. Okay, so this is all about trading 9 EMA in simple things. So this strategy works most of the times. So this is all about the basic examples, how you can trade 9 EMA. For better results, you can just correlate this with Bank Nifty or Sensex. You can just keep the both instrument in one side and trade it. for better results. Hello friends, if you're watching the video for the first time, please do mind liking the video and please do subscribe so that it'll motivate me to bring up many videos like this. If you do not understand anything, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to clarify your doubts. If you're not joined my Telegram link, please do click on the link below and join it. When I just update charts, trading ideas or trading education, it'll be helpful for you guys to learn more about stock markets and trading. So thank you guys for watching.